In this video, I'll share how to add a border around your video. There are two ways to add a border. The first method is to use a mask. Start by preparing a white image. We drag and drop the video clip onto this time track. Then place this white image on top of this clip. Align their time tracks. Zoom in on the white image again and spread it across the entire screen. Click on Mask. Click on Rectangle. Click on Reverse. Then resize the mask. Go back to Basic. Cancel Uniform Scale. Adjust the width of the mask alone. Then go back to Mask. We can also adjust the rounded corners of the mask. Here we can adjust the feather of the mask, border with some feathering. Click on Adjustment and change the color of the border. Adjust the color temperature to make the color a bit more yellowish. Adjust the hue and saturation. Select these two materials. Right-click on the mouse. Click Create Compound Clip, merge the two clips into one clip. Play the video. The second method is to use Canvas. Import the video material. Find the canvas. The function of the canvas is to set the background of the video, the default is none. Select Color. Select red as the background color. Reduce the size of the video material. Now you can see the red background. Undo Uniform Scale. Adjust the width and height of the video frame individually. Right-click on the material in the time track. Select Create Compound Clip to merge the material and the background together. This creates a video with a border.